Hey, I'm Phone West, Mr. Crossland here. Today's spring challenge game is wind blowing. And what you're going to need to play this game is 10 plastic cups and 1 balloon. If you don't have a balloon, you can use a paper plate. The object of the game is to see how many of these cups you can knock off in 1 minute using just the wind from your balloon. So, when you're ready, set a 1 minute timer, blow up your balloon, and get ready to bowl. Every time your balloon runs out of air, blow it back up, and start again. If you don't have a balloon, you can fan the cup with a paper plate. Remember to record your score and let us know how you did.